going to show how to save the current settings of the device center and then restore it. This is just a good practice in case something happens to the system. You'll be able to restore it. So we click on the tools from the menu bar on the device center, go to backup, create backup, where you will be prompted to store the current settings in a folder. I usually put it under the CTE, but you can put it wherever you want. So let's just go to drive C, create a new folder, call it DC backup. Okay, and let's select the folder and click OK. So the backup was created. Now let's go back and restore. Let's say we're in a different session. We need to restore the devices or something's not working. So we go back to the tools, backup, restore from backup. It prompts us to shut down the device center. The device center has to be shut down or not closed. X closes the device center and minimizes it to the taskbar. We need to physically shut down, so we can either shut it down by clicking on this power or shut down button, or go to File, Shut Down. Once we've done that, we can click on the OK button, and the device center restore utility opens its panel, and we need to browse and find the folder where we saved our backup. So it was under C, and it was DC backup, and here it's stored it under this folder. Click on the OK button, and it says success. You can now safely restart device center. So we've successfully restored our settings. Thank you.